Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is MariiiBajariii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this makeup look right here. This is a full face of drugstore makeup look, Valentine's Day edition. So if you guys would like to get a Valentine's Day beat on a budget, then I suggest you keep on watching. But before I start this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. Alright guys, so I wanted to squeeze in this makeup tutorial. Today is Monday. I'm pretty sure my first Valentine's Day makeup tutorial is going to be up by Tuesday, and then this one by Thursday. I really wanted to do a drugstore makeup tutorial because who doesn't love drugstore? Who doesn't love inexpensive makeup? And especially for Valentine's Day, you don't want to spend too much on your makeup unless you got it already. So we're just going to jump right into it. So I already did my eyebrows off camera, the big shebang. Moving on to the face, I already prepped the skin. I put some under eye cream, I put some moisturizer. So I am not going to prime. I don't really have a primer that I love from the drugstore unless it's like a setting spray or something, because you guys know me and my primers. Is it a myth? We don't know. So we're just gonna go straight into the foundation. So for the foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild stick foundation. I know they recently just dropped a dewy foundation. I am tempted to try it. We'll see. Don't know if I should be spending money on makeup right now. I'm trying to save. But anyways, I'm in the shade Vanilla Beige, and I'm just going to apply this all over the face. I remember I used to be like so scared of stick foundation because I was like, oh my god, that's so dry for the face. But this is like the most hydrating foundation I have. Oh my god, I look crazy. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge. This is also a drugstore price. It's from Amazon. It comes in a pack of like 6 for $8, I believe. I'll try to find a link and put it down below. So good. I'm curious to know what your guys' Valentine's Day plans are. I don't even know what mine are yet. Me and Angel might just go out to eat or something. I feel like that's like the ideal Valentine's Day date. Go out to a movie, go out to eat, something cute, simple. So now moving on to concealer, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. You guys, I talked about this in my last video. I have been using it every single day. I'm so obsessed with it. You guys know me and my Too Faced concealer. That's my baby, but this one is kind of taking over. Don't tell her. And I'm going to take this Sigma beauty sponge, just like one of the half ones. Perfect for concealer because it really just gets right in there. Okay, so now that I have the concealer on, I'm going to move to powder. I always have two different powders, one for the under eye and one for the rest of the face. So for under my eyes, this is a oldie but a goodie. This is the Airspun powder, and I'm going to use this to set under my eyes, making sure everything is blended out first, and then just pack that on. Remember when this was like the powder to use? This is like everybody's go-to powder. Okay, and then for the rest of my face, I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Fair Light. And I think I'm going to apply it with my beauty sponge first. Just pounce it into the skin. And then I'm going to go in with a Morphe MB2 brush and kind of just make sure I got everything. Alright, so now for bronzer, I'm moving on to this one. I'm literally running out, but this is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. You guys already know this bronzer, but it smells so freaking good. Oh, I totally forgot. I was supposed to use the Wet n Wild contour stick, but I forgot. So next time, my face is too matte now. And then take some of that on a Morphe M533 brush. Apply some on the nose. Even though we're gonna go in with some eyeshadow, I still like to put some bronzer on the eyes just to blend it down the nose contour. Alright, so now for blush, I am taking the Wet n Wild Keep It Peachy. And you guys already know I love the rosy cheeks, or peachy cheeks. And then apply it on the nose. Then I go in with another stippling brush and just make sure everything is blended out. Alright, so now for highlight, I'm going in with the Maybelline Master Chrome. Which one is this? Molten Gold highlighter. And I'm using a Morphe M510 brush to apply that. On my pinky, put it on the tip of the nose and on the bridge. Alright, so now that we're pretty much done with the face, this is like literally like my everyday look right here. But now I'm going to zoom you guys in to the eyes. Why'd I say that? Eyes. Alright, so I have two palettes here. I have my NYX Ultimate Sugar High palette. I grabbed this one because of like the pinks in the palette. And then I also have Hello LA Angel by Peachy. But I don't know. I still want to keep it like in the pinks because of Valentine's Day. Because like who doesn't love pink on Valentine's Day? Alright, so I'm going to start off with the Peachy palette and take this shade right here and apply that into the crease. Again, I did put a little bit of bronzer in the crease just because I feel like it helps me map out my eyeshadow looks. See how it kind of, it's not too much of a pink, it kind of blends in nicely with the bronzer. Now I'm going to go into the NYX palette and take a little, just a little bit of this pink shade right here. And I'm using, where is my brush? And I'm going to be using a Morphe M514. Don't mind it, it's just stained, so it looks like there's purple on there, but there probably is a little bit left over. But I'm trying to take it off. I need to wash my brushes. Anyways, taking that pink shade from the NYX palette and applying that to the crease. So what I'm going to do is I'm kind of going to just put all these pink shadows and then go in with some brown just to darken it up a little bit so it's not too bright of a pink. And then I'm going to go back into the Peachy palette and take this brown shade right here and focus that into the crease as well. And then switching back to the NYX palette again, I'm going to take this shade right here. It's kind of like a mauve-y brown shade, if that makes any sense. And then put that into the crease as well. Alright, so now for the lid shade, I kind of want to do something, oh my eyelash got stuck. I kind of want to do something shimmery, so I'm going to take this pink shimmery shade right here. But I'm just going to use my finger because I don't want it to be too pigmented. So I'm just going to kind of just pack it all over. I really like that subtle shimmer look where they kind of just messily go in with their finger and just pack it on the lid. So it kind of just gives like that shimmery look. I don't know how to explain it, but I think you guys know what I mean. And then there's also like this champagne, but it also has hints of pink. I'm gonna take that on my pinky and just pack that towards the front of the eye. And then just take my spoolie to brush out my lashes. Okay, so now I need to smoke out my lower lash line. So I'm taking a Sigma small angled brush, which is E65. And I'm gonna go back into the two palettes and pretty much just use all the matte shades that I used on the eyes. Like the darker ones, like the brown and the mauve shade. And then I kind of just line the lower lash line with this pencil brush. Alright, and then I go in with the pencil brush and really just smoke those shadows out. Alright, so now I'm going to go back into the NYX palette and take a Morphe M515 brush and kind of just go into this little white shade and the champagne one just to apply some of that into the inner corner. Now I would go in with a drugstore mascara, but I don't have any at the moment, so I'm just going to use the Benefit one. But obviously any mascara will work. I'm just going to apply this onto my lower lash line. Okay, so now for the lips, I want to keep it simple and nude, of course. So first I'm going to go in with my LA Girl lip pencil in the shade Bare. Alright, and then on top of that, I'm going to go in with my NYX London Soft Matte Lip Cream. I also ran out of setting spray, so we're going to pretend that I put setting spray on. sucks, I know. All right guys, so I went ahead and put on some cute little pink clips, a little pink purple mauve shirt to match the vibes going on. So this is the completed drugstore Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to mine and Angel's channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. The link will be down below. Stay blooming and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.